This video is f***ing awesome. Sorry, children. He says, hey, Ken, I saw you on Joshua Bardwell's channel. That was a great video that you did together. You're welcome to share my content. I'm only a small channel, so it will be brilliant for me. Cheers, Matt from Magic FPV, the viewer video of the week. It's just amazing. One day I hope to be able to fly like this. Enjoy.
Whoa.
Yeah, no hesitation, just right through the windows.
This is crazy.
Mm-hmm. This is FPV. You see the difference between photography drones and FPV there, Ashley?
Oh, absolutely. This is insane.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa!
And look at that, right in there. Oh my God,
Oh.
so good.
Heaven, if you sent us down, so we could build a playground for the sinners to play a saint. We'd be so proud of what we made.
Whoa!
I hope you got some friends around.
The best is yet to come.
Really?
Yeah. There's a nuclear option at the end.
Every brother that's caught in the crossfire.
I know that YouTube's going to be like, naughty, naughty, playing this song, but it just goes so well with this video.
I was about to ask, did he edit this or was this you?
No, this is his video.
And this music is amazing.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Well, that's a power loop, right?
This is in the UK, by the way.
Oh, I need to get back focused now. Oh my God.
This is how FPV people view trees. They just the gap, 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 and they fly them.
Whoa!
Yeah, man.
Stop it!
But it gets better, Ashley.
Give it
Your mind
some-
is about to be blown.
Look for the re-entry point. Slap the tree.
Here we go. As many fails as successes.
Wow. He's in it!
Watch this. Mesmerizing, isn't it?
This is wicked. There's more!
Yeah. Oh, the camera is about to die. Spoiler alert. Risk versus reward.
Wow.
And there's so much fun stuff to fly around in England.
All the old stuff.
Yeah. I could watch an hour of this. And I have. Oh, uh-oh.
Oh,
Camera lens broke.
oh God.
Yeah. But that's fantastic, guys. Oh my gosh. Ashley, your thoughts?
That's insane. That is insane.
Isn't it?
And like I felt myself like moving with it. You know, like when he would turn and stuff. It's crazy. That's insane. It's crazy, crazy, crazy.
Yeah, just Google FPV or YouTube it. Do a search.
Yeah.
And enjoy hours and hours of that. Put your husband in front of that and see what he says.